Hi, today I'm going to show you how to connect GoDaddy domain to Base44. So first, require the DNS records for GoDaddy to Base44. So option A is GoDaddy supports ename and alias, that is recommended. So ename or alias record should be like this. The CNAME record should be like this. Then option B is the standard setup using a record if a name and alias isn't available. So a record should be like this and the CNAME record should be like this. Now for subdomains, it should be like this. After this, you'll have to basically log into your GoDaddy account, open the DNS management for your domain, add or edit the above records as needed, then save changes and allow propagation, usually from a few minutes to up to 24 to 48 hours. Verify the domain connection in your Base44 dashboard, and these records will route your GoDaddy domain traffic to your Base44 hosted app securely and reliably. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.